Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is just an eclectic vintage style journal using lots of bits that I had already printed out. So there's one way of using up my scraps. So the journal measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/4, so it's about a traveller's notebook size journal. One signature, 40 pages front and back. There is lots of embellishing in here as well. This will be for sale in my shop. I will put a direct link to that below. My shop now is my coffee shop, not my website that I used to have. So I've used papers from, this is from Tsunami Rose. We have got this fabric trim here. Actually, it's a sheet that I've tore up. I've glued that onto there. We've got some lace trim on the spine. There is actually another piece of fabric under that, but it kind of looked quite boring, so I just put this on top of that. This is from the journal boat, and so is this. It's all been stitched, and as you can see, that is all, the closure is like going behind here. So we have some trims on the edges of the papers, and let's go inside. So I'll try and remember everyone. Okay, so I actually don't know who that is from. That's a good start, isn't it? A good start to the video. Tell you where everything's from, and I don't know who that's from. I really can't remember. So anyway, I used that. It's long, like the long tall pages. Just can't remember the name of the shop. So here we've got, again, I think that's the journal bought there. These little bits were the die cuts and stamps that I've done. I did actually have some kits, and I sold some, and I kept one for myself, so that is from that as well. And then I've just got a little cluster there. In behind here we've got a tag. These are from Ruby&Pearlxo. This background paper is from TaylorMadeJournals. That flips opened, and that is from Bohemian Crafting. That is TaylorMadeJournals. So that goes in there, and that just pops in behind there. Ruby&Pearl, and that is the journal board. This is, I think that is Bohemian Crafting as well. So they were just die cuts that I done through, I done some from my Cricut, and then I just stamped with like big background stamps on certain pieces, and that's how that came out. This is Ruby&Pearl. This is from a notepad. Here we've got a tag, coffee dyed and stamped. The stamp there is Kaisercraft. This is from TaylorMadeJournals, some trim here. These are the pieces from my die cut and stamped malarkeys that I was doing. This, oh, I just realised that that's actually the same as that. But this is something that I already had printed out as well. The actual pages, well, most of them I did actually print out to do that, but everything else was already like printed out. So we've got Ruby&Pearl images there, background papers. I don't know who that's from. I think that might be journal bought, and that is from TaylorMadeJournals. This is just a big sheet like so. Some line paper, somewhere to journal. And there we've got pockets here. That's stamped, coffee dyed and stamped. Ruby&Pearl images there. So here these are from them kits that I had. So I've popped 2 pieces in there. That's Ruby&Pearl, that is TaylorMadeJournals. So here I just made some very simple envelopes. These are, where's the paper from? ARTYmaze. Then I just wrapped a piece round, as you can see there. The image here, don't know who that's from. I don't know if it's, I did buy some the other day from, oh, excuse me. Ugh. I am tired. I bought some kits the other day. It was in the video yesterday. I put the link to it. I was buying kits for like 38p, I think it was. That might be from them. because obviously when I buy a kit I've got to print it out. Yeah, very easy envelope. I'll do a quick video on that one day. Just it'll be up on the short videos because it is so quick and easy to do, and you've only got two folds and two cuts, and that's you got an envelope. Ruby and Pearl, excuse me, I just need a little drink of water. And that's better. The heating's on as well, it dries you right out. Ruby and Pearl, some trim here. This is Bohemian Crafting, TaylorMadeJournals, little cluster there, done some stitching, and that is from them kits that I made, and I kept one for myself. Centre of the signature, Ruby and Pearl. How cute are them? Here we have got, that's a flip out, like so. And that is from TaylorMadeJournals. And that is a little tag there. How cute is that, baby? That just slips in behind there. This is from Ruby and... No, it's not. It is from Journal Boat. That was little snippety thing that I'd made. And pieces from that coffee dye stamp set that I done. They're all gone now. So thank you, ladies, who purchased them. Might do some more again. So again, another envelope. 2 folds, 2 snips. Sounds like an operation. Tuck and, what was it? Tuck and snip. Snip and tuck. Do you remember that? I didn't actually watch it, but I remember it being advertised. Got a double pocket here. Ruby and Pearl there. So actually it's a triple pocket. So you've got a pocket there. That's open. There's nothing in there, obviously. And that goes, it can go in there. Or it can go in there. And that is a stamp tag. That's a Kaisercraft stamp. That was them little hearts from that kit that I made. This is just a little cluster of papers that, and a tag obviously, that you can pop on there. Trim, some tags here, Ruby and Pearl. Again, that is a Kaisercraft stamp. Big toe tag here. Little moments, big memories. Oh, that comes off like so. That flips out. Done a little cluster there. And then I left that blank so that you could do some journaling. Little tag there. And I've just put a paper clip at the top to just kind of hold it all in place. Got a flip out here. Ruby and Pearl paper there. TaylorMadeJournals. Little tag, Journal Bolt. Here we go. That was from that coffee dyed stamped thing I made. Little tag there. That was from that stamped thing, and then that is the back. I can't remember who that's from, but if anyone wants to know, I will hunt it down. I will hunt it down. So that is the journal. Check out my other journals that I have for sale in my shop. They have all been reduced. I have got some autumn journals. I have got a Christmas journal. I've got a blue Eclectic journal. Don't know what else is in there. I think there's like 3 journals. So yeah, I've put them on sale for this week. There we go. I just wanted to take that off. So there we go. I still sound all stuffed up. So another journal in my shop. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.